Geometry students to class today on this Friday, March 6th. Hope you guys are ready to learn some math today, go over some math, and I hope that you enjoyed your day off yesterday. Let's get right into these announcements for today. Please listen carefully. You're responsible for these announcements. Number one, there will be a test on Monday. Now, our new student, Mr. Harris, I want you to take the test on Monday. So you will take the test on Monday. However, it will not count against you if you do poorly. I just want to see how much of this material you know. So you have no pressure, nothing to worry about. Just take the test and turn it in. No big deal. Guys, you owe me this assignment. Please make sure your name is on it. It was given to you Wednesday. So please turn that in now at this time, okay? Go ahead and turn this in. I definitely made a mistake, by the way, and I apologize. Students, if I ever do this again, just call me or email me and let me know. I gave this assignment to you right here on a Wednesday, and I said it was due the next day. Guys, look, I always try to abide by the rules that teachers have, just like I expect you guys to abide by the rules that students have, and I'm not allowed to give Wednesday homework. I totally forgot that, so if that happens again, just email me, respectfully, Mr. Earhart. We don't have to finish this assignment until Friday or something like that. Now, it is due today because you had 2 days to do it, but if that happens again, just let me know, and I do apologize for that mistake. Incompletes, Geometry Track 2. Okay, here we go. All of this is due by today, okay? So you 7 students, if you don't turn this in by today, I will not accept it. It's a permanent 0. Okay, you 5 students here, if this is not turned in by today, it will be a permanent 0. And then radian measurement handout, if this is not turned in by today, it will be a permanent 0. I do not have favorites. It does not matter that her father is the principal, but Grace, because you missed a couple days, if you need more time, email me. I have no problem with that. You've just got to contact me and let me know what's going on. But if I do that, all of your stuff will be due by Monday, okay? Having said all of that, if any of you are listening to this over the weekend because you're absent on Friday, email me and I will confirm that with a teacher and you can turn it in on Monday. Other than that, all of this is due today. If you miss a day of class, it is your job to go to this website, type in the day that you missed, and watch the videos. When you come back, you will take any test or quiz immediately that we are taking in class. Work on the review sheet that's your schedule for today. So I'm going to give you a review sheet that will help you get ready for your test, okay? So test on Monday, review sheet today. Here's your review sheet. Please copy that down. There is your review sheet. Please copy that down. Remember, this is worth 5 bonus points on your test, so please work hard on this. If you want the 5 bonus points, you must show all of your work on these problems, and it must be turned in Monday, okay? You must turn them in. Well, actually, you can turn it today if you want to, but I encourage you not to do that because you might need to study it over the weekend, okay? Here's the help video, Geometry Track 2, Chapter 9 review sheet. So please copy that down. Geometry Track 2, Chapter 9 review sheet. That is your help video. This review sheet is due Monday. Like I said, the test will be on Monday. Now let's go over the information you're responsible for on the test. First of all, here's your formulas. Know these. Know them and know what they go with. Do they go to a cylinder, to a pyramid, to a cone? Know your formulas and know what shape they go with, okay? Very important. If you get those confused, you're going to miss a lot of problems on the test, okay? Now, Mr. Harris, let me talk to you for a second. This will take just a minute. I would strongly encourage you to take notes on what I'm about ready to say. If you choose not to, I don't know what to say, but it hurts you because it's information you need to know. First of all, you need to know this website, so copy this down, please. It's teachum.com/geometry track 2. If I go too fast on any of this, just let the teacher know. He or she can pause the video, okay? So, this is the website you need to go to when you're at home and you need help on the homework help video. For example, let's say over the weekend you want to work on your review sheet. Well, you go to this website here, okay? Let me show you what it looks like. So you'll type in that web address, and this here will pop up in a second. There you go. So you're at the website, okay? Now, if you ever miss a day of class, all that you have to do is type in the day that you missed. For example, let's say you were absent on Tuesday, March 4th. So you type in March 4th, like this, hit enter, and there's the intro video right there. Now one says homework, so that's the homework help video. This one says Geometry Track 2, March 4th. You click on this, Mr. Harris, and it's a short little video that tells you what you're supposed to do that day. Okay, I hope you're writing all this down, okay? Let me just pause this video real quick here. This one right here on the screen. Go back again and show you something here. So here's what you should be writing down. Number one, you need to know this website. Write that down. Number two, you need to know that when you go to this website, you type in the date that you missed, and then listen to the intro video. So this video here just shows everything that you're going to do that day. Okay, you watch it. It tells you what videos to watch, what your homework is, etc., etc. It tells you everything. Okay? So that's pretty much it now. Like, for example, by the way, real quick, if you get home over the weekend and you want to work on the review sheet, then you type in what I told you to type in today, which is this right here. Go back and look right here. Today on the intro video, I told you that your help video is called Geometry Track 2, Chapter 9. Geometry Track 2, Chapter 9 review sheet, okay, right there. So, you type that, and I think I just totally messed up. Let's try that again. Yes, I did. Maybe I should be the one taking notes on this. Alright. So you type that in, hit enter, and hopefully, okay, I've not loaded that video yet. I'm going to load that later on today for you guys to watch in class, but that video would have popped up and you would watch it, okay? Those videos, listen, I'm not there to help you, Mr. Harris, or you other students with your homework, and you're always going to have homework questions. So since I can't help you with your homework questions, then I make videos for you to watch the homework to help you, okay? One more